S200 Fat Tire Foldable Commuter E-Bike Installation Video. Manual, pedals, front quick release skewer, parking bracket, tower adapter, toolkit. Install the front fork, remove the aluminum cover, collar washer, top plug, and bead nest in sequence. Install the front fork. Make sure the bead nest and waterproof ring are placed flat so that the force bearing area is even. Make sure the bead nest ball faces downward. Tighten with a 36 mm open-end wrench. Put the collar washer on. Finally, install the aluminum cover. Tighten with the center axle wrench. Insert the power tube into the front and attach the aluminum top cover. Push the button on the power tube handle upward. Tighten the screws. Install the handlebars. Make sure the concave surface of the handle is aligned with the convex surface of the riser. Then tighten it. Use a 5 mm hex wrench to remove the parking stand screws. Place the parking stand in the designated frame position and lock the screws. Remove the front fork protector bar with a 17 mm open-end wrench. Remove the brake protector. Remove the nut on one end of the quick-release lever. Pass it through the front wheel hub. On the other side, place the conical spring and safety hook. Tighten the nut. Lift the front fork. Place the front wheel. Ensure the disc rotor is positioned between the disc brake pads. Hook the safety hook onto the front fork. Tighten the lever on the handle. Remove the mudguard screws with a 4 mm hex wrench. Insert the fender and tighten the screws. Install the front light. Tighten the screws. Adjust the handlebars to ensure the front wheel is in line with the frame, then tighten the power tube screws. Install the rear fender. Unscrew the 4 screws in the video. Put the fender in. Tighten the screws. Install the rear rack. Unscrew the 4 screws in the video. Put the rear rack in. Fix the 2 front screws first. Adjust the angle of the rear rack. Fix all the screws. Install the seat, open the seat clamp, and place the saddle. The pedal marked with the letter L is for the left side. Screw it in counterclockwise. Use a 15 mm open-end wrench. The pedal marked with the letter R is for the right side. Screw it in clockwise. Demonstration of the transmission system. Long press the power button. Click the plus button to set the gear to the first. Press the drive stop button for rear wheel drive. Long press the light button to turn on the front light. Battery installation and removal demonstration. Take out the battery pack. Click the battery button to display the battery level. Place the battery and it will automatically lock.